Happy Lunar New Year.
新年快乐. As you can see, we are trying to get as festive as we can here at home. Got the tiger shirt to ring in the new year of the tiger.
And I'm just wearing a nice red dress.
Red is always prosperous when it comes to the New Year's celebrations here.
So today it's actually a Tuesday. New Year's falls on a Tuesday and Wednesday, and it's a public holiday here in Singapore. So it's kind of weird to have to go into work on a Monday and then celebrate with 2 days off again, which is really nice.
Yeah, we've got 2 weekends basically back to back. Today we're going to keep it fairly casual. Later tonight we're going to go check out some lights and festivities. But right now we're just at home munching away on some traditional snacks. What do we've got?
We've got mandarins, very important during this time of year.
Yep, always have 2.
We actually bought a huge box. Everywhere in the grocery stores you'll find big boxes of mandarins since they're that important.
Yeah, it kind of represents abundance or prosperity, so usually you gift it to someone when you bring it, and you make sure you do it in pairs and you bring it like this. They're also delicious to snack on and healthy, so that's why we got a bunch of them.
We also have bakwa.
Yep, bakwa is essentially like a beef jerky or like a preserved pork, and it is so unhealthy, but it balances out with the mandarins, I guess.
You have to make sure that you go early to buy them, because by the time we went, which was 2 days before New Year's, there's a very, very limited supply.
We got it from the same place we went last time. I will be honest though, we've had a few other places, and my favorite's probably Fragrance. So if you're ever in Singapore, Fragrance is delicious bakwa. And then we've also got some pineapple tarts as well.
Later on, we'll go check out maybe Gardens by the Bay.
Gardens by the Bay, they've probably got a ton of beautiful lights and I imagine quite a few things to ring in the new year. We've been walking around Chinatown and other parts of Singapore, and you can just see New Year's decorations everywhere you go. So excited to see what we have tonight, and we'll bring you guys along.
Let's go. So we left the house and we had to look for dinner plans, and we expected a lot of things to be closed, and we went to Suntec Mall, which is the mall closest to us, and it was quite busy. There was a lot of stores open still.
Yeah, retail shops too.
Yeah.
For the most part, every place we walked by had a queue, which is insane because you'd expect, you know, during Lunar New Year, everyone spends time at home with their family or friends, and people were telling us like usually things are closed during the New Year's, but didn't seem like it to us.
So we walked around. We weren't that hungry to begin with, but then slowly we were like, uh-oh, if we don't find a place soon, maybe these places are closing early instead. But we had yakiniku.
Yeah, Japanese barbecue. I think we've only done it like once together before this. Yeah. Did you like it?
Yeah, it was good. I think it was the perfect amount of food.
We wanted to take a quick walk to the gardens, as we mentioned earlier, and it is absolutely beautiful out right now. It's like perfect weather, and it's quite busy. A lot of people walking around and everything, but the lights are spectacular right now. I think it's like the super tree area is a ticketed area, so we didn't get tickets. I think they sold out, you said, so we'll just...
But you can check it out online virtually. But it would be very unfortunate if you were visiting at this point in time here in Singapore, because if you wanted to see the super trees, unfortunately it's blocked off unless you have the admission ticket.
What's the most common color you see these days?
Red.
Yeah, everybody is wearing red, including Chantal here. And we have folks that are known to be wearing red pretty much year-round here. They're called social distancing ambassadors. And they're the ones who enforce all the rules for like social distancing. And now you can't even tell where they are. They blend in like ninjas because everyone here is wearing red.
The This is all part of the river Hongbao.
area. Normally this whole section would be open to the public, but because of the New Year celebration, they blocked this off for some special events and sites. We are now in day 2 of our Lunar New Year weekend. Gracious host Angela.
新年快乐!
We've got Daniel, you recognize him from the pizza vlogs if you haven't, and a newcomer, Aymeric.
Yes. Hey.
Angela, what did you get here?
We have a shit ton of dumplings.
Yep.
These are the chili oil. We have some pot stickers hanging around here somewhere.
You were just craving dumplings. It's not because it's like a Lunar New Year thing. It's
I don't
just
think so. Not that I'm aware.
I don't think it is either,
Yeah.
but
I also got these
they're
little
always
black
delicious.
sesame balls, which I haven't tried.
Dessert. Fried rice looks really good. And then later today, we're gonna play some Mahjong. These two have never played before, so we're gonna teach them.
The black sesame
But both of them are
balls.
familiar with poker, so I think you guys are gonna get it no problem. But should be exciting. How many engineers does it take to put a Mahjong table together? Oh, what is wearing a teapout?
Oh yeah, sorry, we're doing open face. Croque
What were you
Madame
saying?
style.
Yeah.
As Harry says. Okay, so you have.
I'd say get rid of the direction.
So this looks good.
Yeah, you could either get rid of the direction.
Because the
This
directions
is
are
good.
harder
We're also
to
waiting for
find a
something
matching
here.
pair.
Yeah, this would be the odd one out.
The only reason why I would keep that is if it was your direction as well.
Alright, let's try
Winner
one
right
round.
here, first round ever. Except this was like completely training and until it's official.
Only win.
Woo!
Good job, good job. Bye guys, Gong Si Fa Tai. Thank you for hosting.
Thank you guys.
Great to meet new friends too, so.
Yay.